the risk insurance, the public sector compensation, the PPP train line of projects, the Kingston Waterfront Park, the governance reforms, the independence of the central bank and the Fiscal Commission and the Fiscal Research Center, the public investment management process, and importantly, all procurement today is electronically done. So, Mr. Speaker, I thank you, I thank the Prime Minister, and I thank this Honourable House for the opportunity to have served. I thank the members on the other side for being worthy opponents and for working on behalf of the Jamaican people in holding the government to account. Running through the tape, Mr. Speaker, it's been a privilege